Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to tell about a story, Witty Sparrow. Now let's go to the story. Once, a very clever brown sparrow lived in a forest. She had three eggs in her nest. Actually, the nest was in a bush. All the animals greeted her, Madam, with respect. But Gullu, the young elephant, never did so. He did only thud only. Gullu walked past the bush purposefully. It rattled the nest. So the sparrow was worried that Gullu might crack the eggs. So she remembered the elephant too. If you do this tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope and then you can't move at all. I warn you, she said. Now the elephant, tie me up? Ha ha ha. We will see. After that, he moved that place. That afternoon, the sparrow went to the river bank to drink some water. At the time, a crocodile was stretching in the spot she was drinking water. Now also she said, the sparrow, blacking me again? You have done it twice this week. Move on. I don't want to drink muddy water. But the crocodile said, move on. Did you say? I will stay put. You better go elsewhere to drink water, she said. And now the sparrow said, today I will let you be. But if I find you in the same place tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope. Now the crocodile said, little thing, like you tying me up? Ha ha ha. Now the sparrow went back to her nest and got a brilliant idea. Next morning, Gullu came thumping towards the bush. Hey, are you not tying me up? The elephant said. Are you not tying me up? The bird replied, how dare you? Aren't you afraid of me? Just wait, she said. The sparrow took a strong creeper and tied the elephant on one end. She said, Whoosh, don't you dare to move. Stay here until I fly and reach the other end of the rope to pull you. When I say pull, you pull with all your strength. Let us see if you can move an inch. And after that, it went to the river, saw the crocodile blocking its way. I will not move, just like yesterday. Drink the muddy water. And now the crocodile replied, I will not move, just like yesterday. Drink the muddy water. He said. Now the sparrow took the other end of the creeper and tied the crocodile. She said, I warned you yesterday, now I stay still until the grab the other end. When I say pull, let's see if you are able to pull or not. The bat said. The sparrow said. And the sparrow went to the center of the creeper and also she said, pull. What she say? Pull. The elephant and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. What happened at that time? This went on all day. Both animals were exhausted. Please let me go. I won't disturb you again. Now, the elephant say, I won't disturb you again. Please let me go. Here also the crocodile say, untie me. I won't stand in your own way. What she say? Untie me. I won't stand in your own way. The bird at the time she say, good. I will remove the rope. Now the gullu ran into the forest and also crocodile dived into the river. Soon the eggs hatched. Madam Sparrow lived happily with her three little babies. The story is over. Children, do you understand the story? I know you can enjoy the story. Children, you must remember those things. Don't be afraid of anything. If those things are wrong, be ready to fight with those things intelligently like a sparrow. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.